Or you're creating the afternoon shift where you want that the training schedule to be there. Okay. Yes. Save. Okay.
So
Then
in a
go.
day, like in a day, how many how many times we can schedule meeting? Like is given start one, start two, or start three.
Day one, you can do it for whole day. Okay, from 9 o'clock to 6 o'clock. If it is a whole day training. Okay, you
Hmm.
can do for the half day, maybe afternoon for morning. At a stretch also you can go for.
Okay.
Depends actually when you want to conduct the training, what time you want to conduct. That only you
Hmm.
have to mention. So if you want to keep start one like 12 to 1, then there is a break. Then again,
Hmm.
so there is a three things: start once, end one, start two, end two, right?
Hmm. 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 And this
So
calculate
like
overall
you can
hour,
do that.
right?
Yes,
Duration. Okay.
duration it will calculate. You
Hmm.
can add on and that will work. For that interval, one multiple dates or multiple things should be there. You're giving the interval, right?
Hmm.
At a stretch, you are not going for the train. Then go to day schedule.
'Then second day schedule.
2 day 4, that one you select, or yeah,
This one.
select that one. Yes, execute. This is what I have mentioned. For day one, this schedule is going to consider. The for day two also, this schedule is going to consider.
Day.
If you will go for new entries, you can create your own.
Okay.
What we have created, go back, again click on the day schedule. You have to select your afternoon. This is only, I
Yeah.
just told you to click to know how to create it. Go for the first one
It's
you have created,
evening.
12 to 1.
This one.
Afternoon first one.
Mhm.
So if you will only create on one day, then one day training is there. If you will go for second again, if you will go for second also second day, then second day schedule will get created. Second day also afternoon you are creating.
Hmm.
Okay. Save to record.
Hmm. Entry already
What it
exists
is
with the
showing?
same. It's just showing an entry already exists with the same key. But we just like
Just
we're
check
just giving a
one or
numbers,
two.
no?
Oh no, schedule. Okay, go to time schedule. Now close this one. Go to time schedule,
Hmm.
new entry, create your 2-day afternoon. Give some other identification so it will not clash. Yeah, it's fine. AF. Then from name, full 2-day afternoon type. I think that is not there. Okay, click on save and then go to day schedule and assign your schedule. Go back.
Ma'am,
Now just go back.
no, actually, so here we like give a day, matlab, like when we going to
We
schedule a
are
meeting
scheduling for 2 days.
for two
Yes,
days.
we are
Okay.
scheduling for 2 days. If you want to schedule for 10 days, then map 10 days and in day schedule 10 days you have to mention afternoon, afternoon, afternoon. 1 to 10.
Okay. So we have to mention like in this way, like 10-day
This is
afternoon
only
or
the group.
okay.
No, no. We are going to schedule for 2 days. That's why we have mentioned 2 days. If you are
Okay.
doing it for 1 month, then you have to select 30 days.
Hmm.
You have to give the group name 30 days afternoon.
Hmm.
Okay. Every
Hmm.
day the training will run in the afternoon 12 to 1.
Okay. Yes.
Okay. Did you save the record? Go back, check that this schedule got created or not in time schedule. Go back.
Yes. Ma'am. It's coming.
It's
Today
created,
afternoon.
right?
Today afternoon.
Double click on it. Okay, it's created. Day schedules, new entry.
Time schedule it's showing.
Okay. Now go back.
System.
Go.
Select any input from set by the time schedule. Hmm.
New entry. We have given for 2-day afternoon. Then
Hmm.
2-day you have to select your afternoon. So then go past the next. Go back. Then you have to create the location.
Okay. We have to create
Location. Go back.
location. Acha, okay.
Back. Yes. Create button. Go to create button. These are you can view whatever is already been created.
Okay. Okay.
You have to click on create button. See the dates, validity, you have to be very careful. Otherwise, you will not, while we'll do the last step, you can't assign this schedule to your business event type. So 26 it is taking.
Okay, ma'am. So, ma'am, if like we have I need to schedule for tomorrow, then like how can I change? It's okay. It's okay. No, it's not changing.
There is a, if you will go back,
Mm,
you can give for tomorrow. And here we are going to plan only. If it is today also, we have to plan
okay, yeah.
first. Okay, here you can change the date. Then your schedule will be for 27, 28. Now it would be 26 and 27, right?
Hmm.
Create, give some location name, some company location name. We have to create the company as well. So give some company name, like something like HCL, not HCL, something. Mm,
Ma'am, like company location, like it's a
yes,
let's
yes.
take Noida, ma'am.
Where we are going to, yeah, where we are going to conduct the training. That location we have to assign everywhere. Then only people will come to know that training is going to happen, right?
Yes, ma'am, Noida TCS.
Yeah. But some identification give, because when other people will create, TCS don't go for TCS. So many people are using TCS, some other company name, because we have
Mm,
to create the company also, where like organizer I have told you, right? We have created already. What name we have given for
mm,
organizer? Do we have created?
no, it's Dabur, the hair oil product.
It's fine. It's fine. Dependent information you can give. For that, calendar ID should get reflect. Our calendar ID is not going to reflect. So either you can give, otherwise give only location, currency, and language. You will not get that because we have not. Yes, location, currency, INR. Type INR and language EN.
New address,
Address, location address. You can fill one line only. Later you can fill others. Or else you can keep it like that. This is further information, right? Go to
mm,
further information where you can create the wavelength of your location. If you have
uh,
any wavelength you
mm,
have created from backend, then you can give this link to the employer so that they can get the details about the location. Like how we are getting the location from WhatsApp, right? Or we can just get location from the Google. So like that, you can give location.
so here, ma'am, we can
We should not create anything because we don't have that link, right? We have to create the link and we have to assign.
okay. So let's say now.
Yeah, save the record.
Mm, correct.
What it is showing,
It is showing you have to mention postal code, city, and country and region.
select the region. Remove that site dependent information, calendar details that will throw, that is throwing error. I think. Go to site dependent information.
No,
It's not allowing
mm,
address.
mm,
I can't view your details. Remove all address details.
mm,
Remove all. Reason you have taken Noida. Save the record.
entry, street, postal code, city, and country is still showing.
Remove India also.
Mm, how, actually, I've already selected, and there's no
Double
option.
click. Okay, go back. Exit this details. Mm, Cancel it. Yes. Again create. Type your things, it will come down. Just select the site dependent information. Anywhere, just save. No, this calendar is not ours. You will face issue later on. We have not created this calendar. This is calendar what public holiday calendar we have created. So for this side also, this is a training calendar
Mm,
should be there.
mm,
So if you will put it again, you will be getting error.
mm,
So remove that. Let it be blank one. Okay, save the
mm,
record.
okay. Mm,
Training calendar will be created in a learning solutions site,
mm,
whatever the site you will be getting. Let's go to building address. This is where exactly the training is going to, in which building is going to happen. Just give the building name and save.
mm. That's it, man. If I mention all the details now, it will answer.
You can mention it will take. I have not mentioned because I don't get time to mention all. Because
Is the company name coming up?
sorry,
Company name I have to mention here.
yeah, the building name actually, where you are going to attend the training, in which building. So company name, Dadar Noida building, like that you can mention
Okay.
if you have.
Address, supply.
Fill all the details where you feel that this is common. City, country, reason, telephone number if you have for your company. You can do.
Done. Whatever say.
Done, right?
Hmm.
Okay, go back.
You should show
Okay.
one tower.
Organizer. Click on the arrow mark. Create. Create one company. Click on the clock. Create button. Company name. Dabur. Right? So this company is going to organize this training.
Hmm.
So if you have an external training provider, you can mention. We have not created anything, so we will not get the details.
Extra training provider like the trainee.
Yeah, external training provider. Not get the
Training
details.
provider.
Address. Save the details without putting any. So when you will create the second time, put all the details and
Hmm. So change the display. Now next one attendee.
yes, create attendee. Create.
Person.
If you will create person, then that will be internal. Go for external person. You can create all the attendees. Somewhere we have seen na, like user person, contact person. So all these you can create. So first you create for external person for the time being. Then you can create everyone for assigning to business event types. So here you
So
can assign, yeah, one name you have to give. Who is the external person? Any name. Yes, give. Give your name. Saurav.
belong to company.
You have created the organizer, right? You have to select that.
We'll save. Is there any-
Yes, Simon. Save the record. Save, right?
Yes, sir.
Oh.
Mm. And next
So
section.
event organizer also, attendee also we have to, right?
Organize.
No, no, attendee also we have created. If you will go for change, it will take you to PP01.
22301.
No, no, PP01 where you can create your
Okay.
sub.
PP01. So, let's just
So even while you were creating your attendee, that time it was asking that this attendees belongs to which company. Okay, and also there was a box for fee. So you are giving the priority that it will reflect in the simple maintenance or graphical structure in what sequence. Okay, so that time we can use that fee. Now go back. Then what is the next? Business event group.
Business event.
Just check. We have already created, right? Business event group last time. If you want to create, you can create new one.
We have created attitude and
We have
proficiency.
already created, and yesterday we have discussed very clearly about this. Right? Just check which one we have created creativity.
This one, creativity, this one.
Okay, let's go with that. Uh, change the details.
Dates.
No, date let it be because date we have to change. Change the details. No, no, no need to copy. Close this one. Change. Go to change icon. Change. Yeah. Here from date change to today's date. Leave it actually. It will not take. We can't save it. Fine, let's
Mm.
see that this is going to work because we want that this should run for 27. What date we have given? 1/1/2024 we have given, right?
Hmm.
Okay, leave it. Go back. Event type also we have already created. Go to resource management. Resource type. Go back. Click on resource management. Yes, resource type. What is resource type? What kind of resource you're going to use? If it is a project, if it is an employee itself, one resource for the company. Trainer is a one resource for the company. Okay, it will be asking you. You are going
Hmm.
to create the resource, n number of resource you can create. Room, material, instructor. Okay, click on the create button. Yeah. Select, create one conference one, the other conference room. Type CR, then type the name, full details.
Instructor, room.
So anything you can select. Room, instructor, if you want to create the resource, you can. What is the resource priority? Which will take the priority for during the training. Room first, then instructor second, like that. We can select the priority. Double click on it. It will take, you can type 1, 2, 3, like that. 1 to 9, 0 to 9. Okay, location dependent. Is this room is location dependent? Yes. If it is required resource, yes, without conference room, how we will do the training. Single reservation, multiple reservation. Are you going to reserve this conference room for one event, business event, or multiple events? So we have to
Single.
do the reservation. How we are going to restaurant and reserve our seat for 1 hour. Like that, you can go for one event can be for single reservation. If you are having 3, 4 events, 3, 4 training program, you can reserve for multiple reservation. So the same conference room can be used. Like you ask for the schedule, maybe morning one event and afternoon another event can happen, right? Creativity we can do for morning, then language proficiency was afternoon. So during that time, we will go for amount availability. Like quantity, it is going to one conference room or multiple. You are going for 2, 3 conference room. Okay, if it is for one event, business event, or it is for attending, it will go for the resource of pen or diary or any other things. Okay, we whatever is costing to the company that will consider as resource. Okay, research what employee is going to use, instructor. If it is a projector, if it is a system which the instructor is going to use, everything the trainer has to, the training department has to arrange. For that, they have to propose that this much cost we have to spend for this training, right? So alternative resource search, it means that any objective, any other objective you want to, like you want to add any company for this resource, you want to add any other object type, then you can select that. This is not required mostly. Save the record.